Good morning, my dear students. Today I will discuss GK from class 5. GK food for thought. Some common facts are there in the different countries. Okay, so I will discuss some common facts about various countries. Okay, at first I will tell you which one is the longest highway in the world is. Longest highway in the world is Pan American Highway is the longest highway. Longest highway. It is Pan American Highway. Okay, Pan American Highway is the longest highway in the world. After that, the country that accounts for nearly 1/3 of the total peak production of the world. Nearly 1/3 of the total peak production. Teak production, sorry to say TEAK, teak production. 1/3 of teak production of the world. Teak production. Okay, 1/3 for nearly 1/3 of the total teak production of the world. Okay, teak production 1/3 is Myanmar. Okay, I will tell you the next. The longest hot desert. Yes, you know already which one is the longest and also hot desert. Longest hot desert is Sahara Desert. After that, this country, which country is also known as the country of copper? Yes, Zambia. Sorry, Zambia is known as country of copper. Okay, Zambia is called or is known as the country of copper. The biggest delta in the world. Biggest delta in the world. Biggest delta in the world is Sundarban Delta. Sundarban Delta is the biggest delta in the world. Sundarban. Okay. After that, the Japanese call their country Nippon. Japanese call their country is Nippon. After that, the city which is also known as City of Canals, Venice. Venice is called the city of Zambia is called the country of copper, and the Venice is called as the city of canals. City of canals is city of canals. Okay, Venice is called the city of canals. C a single N, sorry. City of canals, Venice. Venice is called the city of canals. After that, which country was the largest producer of rubber? Thailand is the largest producer of the world, in the world. The country which is the largest producer of tin is China, and largest producer of rubber is Thailand. The river that carries maximum quantity of water. The rivers which maximum quantity of water into the water carries into a sea. Amazon River, maximum quantities of water carries into the sea. After that, Mount Everest was named after Sir George Everest. After the name of Sir George Everest, Mount Everest is called. Okay. From the name of Sir George Everest, Mount Everest was named. Mount Vesuvius is located. Yes, Mount Vesuvius. MT for Mount Vesuvius. Vesuvius, yes. It is Vesuvius. Mount Vesuvius. Okay, Mount Vesuvius is located in Italy. Mount Vesuvius is located in Italy. After that, the country known as Sugar Bowl of the World. Which country is known as the Sugar Bowl of the World? Cuba. Cuba is called the Sugar Bowl of the World. Gurkhas are the original inhabitants of Nepal. The Gurkhas are the original inhabitants of Nepal. The largest ocean of the world. Largest ocean of the world is Pacific Ocean. The Red Cross was founded by Jane Henry Dunant. The Red Cross was founded by Henry Dunant or Jean Henry Dunant. The country which is the most densely populated is Macau. The national flower of England is rose. Yes, exactly. The national flower of England is rose. The national flower of Italy is stylus lily. The national flower of England is rose and the national flower of Italy is stylus lily. After that, the national flower of Russia, chamomile is the national flower of Russia. The first industrial revolution took place. In England. After that, the first president of USA. Yes, exactly. The first president of USA was George Washington. After that, the country famous for Samba dance. Yes, which country famous for Samba dance? Samba dance, S-A-M-B-A, Samba dance. Samba dance is famous in the Brazil. Brazil famous for his Samba dance. Brazil famous for the Samba dance. Which one? The Samba dance. S-A-M-B-A, Samba dance. Which country is famous for Samba dance? Brazil. Also, Brazil footballer also shown this. Whenever Sri Lanka was also called Ceylon. Sri Lanka is also called as Ceylon. Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka also called as Ceylon. These are all about the food for thought. Okay, thank you my dear students. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. You should read these questions very carefully and fill up all of these chapters questions. Okay, 24 questions are there and common facts are there, so you should learn and read it very carefully. Okay, so common facts about various countries. To peak production, 1/3 of teak production in the world is Myanmar. The city of canals is Venice, and the Zambia is the country of copper. Samba dance is famous for Brazil. Brazil is famous for Samba dance. Okay, which one is the longest highway? Pan American Highway is the longest highway is the Pan American Highway. Biggest delta, Sundarban Delta is the biggest delta. Sri Lanka is called as Ceylon, and also longest hot desert, Sahara Desert, and Zambia is the country of copper, and the city of canals is Venice. And the Japanese call their country Nippon. The peoples of Japan, that is called Japanese call their country in Nippon. And the largest producer of rubber, Thailand is the largest producer of the rubber, and largest producer of the tin is China. And the river carries maximum water or maximum quantity of water carries in the seas, the Amazon river. Okay, thank you my dear students, thank you so much. So you should learn and read it very carefully, memorize it very carefully, read it. After that you will fill up these things, okay, which one already your textbook. Okay, thank you my dear students, thank you.